All right, let me be real for a second. Our team was getting leads, good leads, but too many were slipping through the cracks. Agents were busy, follow-up was inconsistent. Some leads never got a second call. And honestly, it was costing us deals. So, we did something different. We hired a new team member who changed everything. But this person isn't a person. It's our AI employee. And yeah, it's kind of a game changer. This isn't some future of real estate theory, it's happening right now in our business. Let me show you exactly what our AI employee does and how it's helping us close more deals without adding more pressure to our team. First, lead tracking. Our AI keeps tabs on every single lead in our pipeline. Paid leads, past clients, website opt-ins, all organized and engaged. Second, speed to lead. Our AI responds in seconds. Text, email, voice doesn't matter. While other teams are still drafting a message, we're already in the conversation. Third, follow-up. Short-term, long-term, cold, warm, our AI handles it all. It nurtures leads for weeks or months until they're ready to buy or sell. Fourth, revival campaigns. You know those dead leads in your database? Ours just booked 2 showings last week, thanks to a smart reactivation sequence run by AI. Fifth, we pair our ads with AI follow-up. So when a lead comes in from Facebook or Google, they're instantly greeted and engaged. No drop-off, no delay. Sixth, event marketing. Open houses, webinars, client nights, our AI promotes them, tracks RSVPs, and follows up afterward to keep conversations going. Seventh, smart support. Our AI handles buyer questions, showing requests, next steps, everything that usually clogs our agents' inboxes. Eighth, SOI and past client outreach. Our AI checks in with people we've helped before, sends helpful updates, and keeps us top of mind. This isn't about replacing people, it's about empowering them. Since we added our AI employee, we've seen better lead conversion, more consistency, and a higher ROI on every lead source. So if you're a team leader, broker, or business owner who's serious about growing your business, it's time to bring on your AI employee. You've got 2 easy ways to get started. Sign up for Ren 360 for free as a Lite user, test it out, 0 risk, or book a quick demo and we'll walk you through exactly how it fits into your business. Let's help more people, make more money, and actually have fun doing it.